Live, doing something a little different. We are going to go over the beginning of the week, or I should say, for the beginning of the week next week. My name is Lance. I'm going to be your trader for today, and hopefully going over some profitable trades for the week. Going to give them a moment for people to actually get logged in here. And if you have any pairs that you'd like to go over, feel free. Throw them in the chat. We're going to get started here. Good thing about trading, you can be anywhere in the world as long as you have the internet, right? That's what I like about it. So, we are going to be going over some pairs. Let me just clear this out here. Let me clear this out. We can actually start here. Let's see here. Let me just see here. Oh, my little camera here. Oh, there we go. Can you get there? Let's look at this euro odd first, right? What is it doing everywhere? The idea is we try to look at it in the 4-hour chart, right? With the Forex market, it moves pretty rapidly. So I personally like to trade the 4-hour chart. It actually cuts out the noise, right? Because the Forex market is moving, depending on the pair, it could be moving anywhere from 50 to 150 to 300 pips in a day. So you like to be able to take advantage, have some movement, but it doesn't make, it just cuts out the noise, right? So let's take a look here. Let's go right here. Let's take a look here, see what you're doing. Switch this up to our trend line. And so we're going to backtrack here. Generally like to make my trend lines here. So I know this is already going up just based off of here, but we're going to see where this retrace is going to go. So here, let me see here, 71. So I'm going to use this candle first, all right? And then we're going to use this candle right here. So look at this price action. This is the first price action. Oops. It's the first price action right here. And then, all right, first price action right here. All right. So now we're going to see where it's going to. So with the price action, it's 55.45 minus the low under it, which is 54.61. So that's about it's about 110 pips. 55.44. Look at that, 56.80. I already hit it. So now it's just retracing. All right. So now let's blow this up a little bit more. See where it's going to retrace to before it jumps back up again. So we're going to use this candle first, and then we're going to use this candle. So it's going to retrace right back here. 55.28 before we get the retrace. All right, that's what we're going to go with. So on Sunday, when the market opens, that's what we're going to go with is this euro odd. All right. It's already made its position here. Now it is retracing back as we see. This is the get out at, right? It's already hit its mark. Price action, boom. This is like perfect setup right here. Hit its mark. Now it's retracing. Almost like a diagonal triangle right here too. 1, 2, 1, 3. All right. It's the third round. So wouldn't be surprised if it even gaps open on Sunday right here. Gaps open about 70 pips. We'll be going long right here. Very good long position. And then you can almost, let's see where it will end up going back to. Let's bring this down here. So, let's move this over this way. So we're going to use this candle again. And let's put up a little bit more. Oh, make sure I got my, just for a moment here. Got to make sure I got my, answer my questions. Anyone has any questions? Let me check the chats. Anyone has any questions? Oh, let me turn that down. All right. No questions? Oh. So, why is it doing that? Let's see. All right. I think, let's see here. So make sure we are on the air. You can see my screen here. That's what we are doing. I don't know why it's showing that. All right. Well, we'll still roll with it. So euro odd. That is what we are going to be going with. So again, it has already hit its price action, right? As soon as it hits its price action, close under, hits up here, right? Let me see here, 55.45 minus under the price or the demand, 54.61. So it's about 90, or sorry, about 110 pips. So this hit 54, 55.40 to 56.83. So it's right on target. And now it's just retracing. Again, this is about the diagonal triangle, right? 1, 2, now it's headed down. So it may gap open, but we have it drawn down here, which is going to be our entry point. And then we were seeing where it's going. Let's take a look here. As you can see, we were using first this candle and this candle. So now we're going to cancel out this candle because we've hit price action. And we're going to move it over now. So we are going to, let's minimize this a little bit more. We are going to use this candle. Let's see what it's going to give us. And so from here to here, right, and we're going to bring it down here. And we have it going back up to the 56.56 after it retraces though. So as you can even see here, look at that price, right? So right on cue. We got it by a slinky though. So it's going to drop down to here, 55.28. And then it's going to shoot right back up here to this 56.55. So about 130 pips. Right. An easy 130 pips. So, but yes, you can even see here too, it's kind of consolidating by the price action. Right? So we know what it's doing. Euro odd, we're going to have that in our book. Let's take a look at another pair, see what else we like. So again, just before we get off this one, we are going to be getting in about 55.30. I'm going to write it to about 56.50, yeah, 56.60-ish. Let's take a look at another pair. I like the pounds. So that's the euro odd. Let's take a look. So that means the pound odd may be kind of doing something a little bit similar. All right, let's take a look there. It's a hybrid pair. So yes, it looks like it has. Let me remove some of this. Oops. Be like this. Clear everything. So feel free to also in the chat if you have some pairs that you want to go over. Take a look at it, see what it's doing. We are going over pairs for the week to see what looks good, and this definitely does. So let's see here. Now we're going to use this one and well, so we got to use this one right here. And that is going to give, it's like you got to use this one for sure. But Let's see if it's one over. There we go. It's this one we gotta use. So we gotta use this one. And we gotta use this one. And then this. There we go. So look at this 3 points right here. Boom, 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 right? The Forex is very tricky. So a lot of people trade price action, but it's how it's determined, right? So we know this now is a new price. It's a new price action, right? It's already shot through price, right? Now it's consolidating back down. It's going to go through price again, and then it's going to shoot right back up. So let's see where it's going down to. That's our next thing. Let's move this over here. Oh, it's not going. So this is actually going to, what is this at? What's this say? 28. 28. Oh, it's barely. So can't use that. So we can use this. Oh, use that one. It's pretty hard. It should have been this one right here, but this one is also. See, 2, yes, by 2/10. Oh, can't even use that. Can't even use none of these. Wow. So we have to use this and this one. So this is already going to be spiking up. And probably Sunday. This is going to be another good one. Even look at the volume. What's the volume on this? The volume is so low on this as well. So I'll be looking for it to make a new candle for it. It's going to be a good one. Let's see where it's going. Because this is a hybrid pair. So let's see, make sure one of these. So we are going to be using this candle for sure. Oh, I gotta widen this out. Let's see. There we go. Widen out a little bit. Just can't see me. Let's see. So here, let me see what's the high for this one. 82.03. And what is this one? 82.16. Can't use that one. Let's take a look. Ooh, let's see. So we're going to use this one. This one and this one. So let's take a look here, see where it's going to go. Boom. Right between the two. This one, right? And this one. And then the low between it. Boom. Oh, wait. Oops. We don't want to do that. Let's see what the low is. The low is this one. Bring it all the way up. Just verify that. Right. Says butter. Set it right back up here to this 82.39, folks. You heard it here first. So this is definitely another good pair we're going to be paying attention to at the open of the market. Chances are it's going to gap open somewhere down here, which is an extra 50 pips. And we're going to get in at the open of the market and ride it up about, to 82.43. So what it says over here, 82.43. Which is our price action. So again, this is another good pair for Sunday's open of the market to pay attention to. If it gaps open, it's a pretty good chance that it's going to be making some pretty good movement to the buy side. And again, depending on the amount that you're trading with, these is almost, depending on the amount, the position that you get in, it's almost like risk-free trades, right? You can get in that price action, risk a couple of pips to make, some very good pips, right? Figure if you get in down here, if it gaps open at 80.60, you set a 20, 30 pip, 40 pip stop loss, and you set a take profit to 82.30. I mean, that's some pretty good odds right there. So the euro odd, the pound odd, so pretty good pairs. Both of them are pairs to look for Sunday, because could be gapping open like this pair. And then the euro odd, that's already pretty much almost there. It's just about timing, I should say. Let's take a look. Do we want to give out any other ones? We do. Those are that's about 400 pips you can pretty much get into. If you get the right timing. We do average anywhere, it's some pretty good averages for our trading style. It's a pretty verse trading pairs as far as in the different pairs that we're trading and signals that we're sending out. We usually try to send out anywhere from 1 to 5 signals a day, and take advantage. You're the trader of the signals. So, if it's 20 pips, if it's 30 pips, if it's 50 pips, you don't have to ride the full signal out. Take advantage. There's 5 signals coming out a day. If you haven't signed up, it is in the comments. Take a look at the website. You can sign up directly. Message us if you have, or if you have not received your link. We can go ahead and get you signed up. And so this concludes it. I think it's about 300 to 400 pips within just those 2 pairs. So imagine on the amount of pips that you're able to take advantage of by doing it on a daily basis. Again, Forex Trinity. And yes, this is our conclusion for the week. For the only couple pairs that we're going to be looking into on the open of the market. So again, it is the pound AUD and also the euro AUD. If you missed that, got to tune in there. We will be live again at the open of the market. So subscribe so you know that we are on. And see you in about a few hours when the market opens. I'll be trading.